May Mahal Camila season, I vow to love and care for you. Even if I run out of words to say, let's start this adventure, and I promise you, through thick and thin, we will always be together.
I promise that I will never ever naiiwan kita. I'm here always. Hindi nyo alam, he is my first and last. He is my first boyfriend, hindi lang halata sa itsura ko.
Napatunayan ko na mahal mo talaga ako. Sa ting sinasabi mong gwapo ako.
Ito na, this is it. Kakalay ka. Ito na, kasal na tayo.
Ran, Glor, Istira, will you have Camila Rodriguez season to be your willing wife, to live together according to the law of God and the state of matrimony?
I will.
This is all there is. Don't wait me for the fight. I'd rather be alone, asleep, not weary for a break tonight.
Pagsalita, naiiyak ako kasi nakakasama ko yung lalaking pinapangarap ko, yung gusto ko. Kinasal ako sa lalaking gusto ko, na alam kong mamahalin ako. Whatever happened in my life. Thank you.
Siguradong sigurado ako na mahal kita. Simula ngayon, di ka na mag-iisa, Camila. Tayong dalawa, till death do us part. And lagi ko sinasabi sa'yo every morning, I love you so much forever.
I promise na mamahalin kita forever and ever till death. Whatever happened, I will always love you forever.